We're just going to have a little bit more fun with this Husqvarna 390 XP. There's the log, which we've just cut. In relation to the size of my hand, as I say, it's getting on for a good 24 inches. Didn't quite complete the cut, but I didn't want to put the new chain into the mud. But what we'll do, we'll finish off that cut and we'll do some cross cuts on these sections here, and we'll just see how she performs again. As I say, this is its first time out. Brand new 30-inch Oregon bar, power match bar, brand new chain. Well, it looks like we've got a lot of noodles, but the saw is performing absolutely magnificently.